Hey there, I'm Amanda. This is Verivaz Outdoor Living, and I'm so glad that you have found our RV checklists. And I wanted to take a minute today to talk to you a little bit about what you found here and what you can expect should you decide to get one. So today you've landed on our ultimate RV packing checklist, and this is a solution that I have created so that you don't ever over or underpack, or more importantly, overspend when you're getting ready for your RV trip. Especially that first trip of the season. So, because there are so many things to remember. There are lots of things to remember when you're packing up your RV to go camping even for a weekend. And we generally go for a couple of weeks. Our first big trip of the season is usually 2 weeks. And so trying to remember everything I need for 2 weeks in my RV sometimes just doesn't work out, but a checklist really does help. So what I decided to do was I went through our RV owner's manual for our travel trailer, and also thought through all of the different trips we've taken, all the things that we generally need, and I created in Google Sheets basically a huge master checklist for every room in your RV. And the beauty of these checklists is not just that it's a checklist that you can print out, which you can. If you've ever used Google Sheets, or if you haven't, or if you've ever used an Excel, just let me tell you, there is a way that you can take that spreadsheet, download it as a PDF, and print it out on a piece of paper. So if you're a pen and paper kind of person, don't worry, you can still do that with these checklists. But they're better than just a piece of paper checklist. They are digital and editable, and they are you're able to use them on both your laptop or your cell phone, which is why I really think they're a great tool. And here's why. So let's say it's the end of your camping season and you're packing up the RV for the winter, and you're winterizing it. And generally, obviously, you're going to bring just about everything out of the RV, but you're going to leave a few things in the RV. We tend to leave, things in storage containers, or blankets and those sorts of things. Non-perishable things like paper products and stuff like that. And so with my RV checklist, when I finish cleaning out the RV before it goes into winterization, I can go through on my phone and check the things that I have left behind in the RV, so that next year when I bring out the camper and start getting it ready for the season, or even before then, what would happen generally about a month before we pull it out of storage, I start purchasing the things that we're going to need for the season. And if I don't have that list from what I left in the camper, I tend to forget what I bought. And so here I go buying again things I don't need. If I have 375 paper plates still stored in my RV, I don't need to buy another gross of 500 paper plates for the season. So it helps me save money because I already know what I have. That's one way it's wonderful. The other way it's wonderful is when I am in my house and the RV is still away in storage, I can go through my house and check off the things that I have in the house that are already purchased that we can take camping. And so then when I sit down at my laptop to order the stuff from Amazon, or if I go to the store, I go to Sam's or whatever to buy all of the things we still need, again, I have that list. It has everything I already left in the camper, everything I have at home, and I'm only going to purchase what I absolutely need for the season. And then, of course, because it's digital, I can uncheck things when I'm done with them, recheck them again, whatever. You can actually change the products that are on your list as well. You can type in different things. When you purchase, you'll receive some follow-up emails from me. You'll receive a video to tell you how to use the lists, and in there will just be a few instructions on things you don't want to do, so you don't break the formulas that are in the list. But it is very editable, and you can definitely add or remove items that you don't need to pack. So that's why I really love the fact that they're on Google Sheets, and that you can use them both on your laptop, on your cell phone, and print them out. And if you have kids like me, it's great for the printing out, because I can print out the kitchen checklist and give that to my son and say, hey, go through the kitchen pantry, see what we have, what we don't have. I can hand another checklist to my younger children, let them pick out things, or they can write on there, and then I can come back, sit down with the printable, edit it all on my cell phone or on my laptop, and there I have a complete checklist. So anyway, that's why I created the packing lists. I hope they're helpful to you. I hope you enjoy using them. And if you would like to receive a free RV trip planner and a sample of a kitchen packing list, please fill out your email below, and I will be sure to try to get that over to you. Thanks. Have a great day.